Do you guys want to earn $100 per day with just little effort? If yes, then watch this video till the end because in this video I will be showing you guys an amazing method that you can use to make money online. This website pays out hundreds of dollars to people every day and it's available worldwide. So you can be anywhere in the world and use this amazing site to make money online. So, are you interested in making money online using this amazing site? If yes, then let's get started. This is Income Profit and I share easy ways you can use to make money online. So if you are interested in making money online, consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions related to today's video, comment them below and I will make sure to reply to you as fast as possible. So this website has a lot of options that you can use to make money online. You can test different websites, comment on other people's YouTube videos to make money, and there are many options that I am going to show you guys. The website that we are taking a look at is called Camly. This website is available worldwide and it pays out once you have reached your payout threshold. Another amazing thing is that you don't have to put in your credit card until you have completed your threshold, which is a great thing for a lot of people. So to make money using this website, all you have to do is come onto this tab over here and click Earn. Once you have clicked on that, you will see this page. And as you can see, there are a lot of earning options that you can choose from. You can make money testing different websites, watching videos or ads. You can also fill out surveys, write comments, leave reviews, and also you can earn money by engaging on other people's social media accounts. This website also has a referral program that you can use to refer this website to make money. There are many payment options like PayPal, Payoneer, TransferWise, and bank transfer which you can use to cash out your earnings. So to show you guys how you can make money using this website, I will use the test website option. So all I have to do is click on this Earn button and it will take me to another page. As you can see, I have $0 right now. So to make money, I will again click on the Earn button. So as you can see, after I clicked on that, another window popped up, which has the website that I want to browse. And as you can see, it's asking me to browse this website for 150 seconds, which equals to around 3 minutes. So this means that after completing this task, which just took me 3 minutes to do, I made money off of it. So as you can see, it's so easy to earn from this website. It just takes us minutes to do simple tasks and earn money from this website. If you are traveling somewhere or you are just bored, then you can quickly open up this website on your mobile or laptop and start making money. This website is also available on Android and iOS, so you can easily download it from the Play Store. As you can see, Google says that this website is the easiest way to make money online. So what are you waiting for? Use this amazing website to make money online. And that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a like if you did and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I am bringing you guys amazing videos like this. Here are more videos that you can watch. They will also help you to make money online. So click on the one which you prefer the most and I will see you guys in the next one.